Hello everyone. So welcome back to the next part of this my Excel beginners to professional series. Today still we will continue with a couple of functions, more functions on this. First, this is the trim function that is used basically to remove the unnecessary spaces from your text. Like you have entered the multiple spaces and you are not sure about that, you can remove it. How it works, let me just quickly show you. Okay, suppose you can see I have written a text and I use just give a moment. Okay, so I have written a text, and if you can go there in the formula bar, you can see trim, and I have added a space here. If I see, its space is removed. Now, if I add some space here, like this is equal to, sorry, what is equal to? It's just as in hello, and I have given multiple space and test, and I have given one additional space. Now, if I put the same trim function here, trim, and give them a reference with the upper text box and see what exactly the result is. So this is what how it's work. If you have a number of text additional spaces, it will remove and keep the single text space only. You can use the trim function for the removal of additional text. We have an concatenate function that is concatenate function is basically used to add two or more than two strings and make it as a single string. So here are the couple of examples you have seen. It's written, and let me quickly show you the example here. So this is what I have taken at one function here. You can just click on fx and see the detail. So this is what it can be. It can include the number of text that you can use it up to 255. Maximum range is there. So number of 255 different text boxes, references, you can use it. Like here the text is there, then I have added taken a cell A2 and then a space, then A3, then a space is. So this is how I have taken it. You can see stream population of the SAM1, SAM2 I just taken as a SAM1, SAM2 and SAM3 as samples. Whatever I will update it here, like if I am testing it text test1, see it's now updating in this formula. This is how the cell is there. If I want to add these two text, so I can just put it concatenate function. I can use it here. Okay. Sorry, I just press the enter key. Okay. And I'm putting a reference. The text one is this one and text two is this one. But it will merge two text. And if I want to put an additional space, I can just add the space here as a third text. Same way, you can add more than two texts also. Like here, I have done this. Okay. The same way, you can see it's added here. So these are the two ways, and you can add the number of text, number of columns up to 255 in the cell for this function. Okay, these are the some few examples related to concatenate function. You can use it for your testing purpose as well as you can use your own. Okay, we have a round function available. A round function is basically used to round off your number. It's a mathematical function. How it works, you can just see it here. This is what I have taken example. I have taken 2.15, and so it's basically working in this pattern. When you type round, open bracket, it gives you a number or a reference and the number of digit you want after the decimal places. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much round off you want? It would be totally depend the number of points you have taken. Suppose if I take it 251, 3 digit, and I have taken it only one, so it's only a 1 digit round off. Now if I just change it this to 2, so what it will do, it will take 1 5 2 digits. See, it's taken 2. Same as here, if we have a 3 digits but we have taken 1, if I take it 3 here, so it will take all 3. But if I would add one more digit here further to that, 1 or 2, any number of, so still it will take remain the 3. So you can also put the same as a reference number. For example, I have taken a round and given a reference as the previous cell, it's F7. Okay. uh, okay, I have not added the number of places. I want to keep it at 2. So right now it's 0 because nothing is there. If I put 2.3, it's still 2.3. If I put 2.35, it will remain 2.35 because 2 digit I have taken. If I put 2, 3, 6, 7, 4 digits, still it will take it and round off to 2 digit because I have taken in the formula only 2 digits. This is how the round function is used. You can use it to round off any of the numbers. And it would also, you can take it on the decimal number of how much places you want to put in the decimal section that I have shown in the first part, I think, or the second part. If you have seen that, you will get it all those. Okay, apart from that, some other functions are there. If I just click on this fx, it will show me the list of all functions that I mostly used. If I see the all functions, I can just click on that and take it from here, any function. If I just click on formula, if you can see there, the different type of functions are listed here. Couple of auto, sum, average, count, min, max functions. The recently used, which you have recently used, these functions would be available here. Same as if you go in the financial section, you will get the financial related or finance related calculation functions like FV, DB, lot of things are there. PV. Same as if you go in the logical, you will get and, or, not, if, XOR. These are the functions related to logical ones. If you go in the text, you will get lower, upper case. You can change it to lower, you can change it to upper text. Find, length. Length is used to count the length of any string. So this way, same. If you just click on that function, you will get the detail how it will work. For example, I have taken length, and if I put this range, I will click on OK. You can see it's 46. So the length of this string is 46. Okay, same as we will be getting lookup, where h lookup or v lookup, all these kind of functions would be available here. If you go in the math section, you will get all mathematical functions, sine, cos, lot of others are there around. These are the functions you will get in the math. Apart from that, the more functions like statistical, some engineering related, cubics related, informatical functions. So most of these are the use. It would be totally depend how you are going to use these functions. So these are about the functions which we have seen from the last couple of videos until now. I will be back in the next video shortly on this Excel and continue with the some couple of more topics. So keep watching my channel and do subscribe it. And I have already listed the next video link as well as my previous video link and the complete series link for this Excel beginners to professional playlist in the description box itself. So you can take it from there. Till now, thank you so much. Bye bye.